Welcome to the dotCMS Pessimistic Content Check-in and Checkout tutorial. In previous versions of dotCMS, our content locking strategy was optimistic. That means that if two users were editing the same piece of content at the same time, the last one to save the content would overwrite the changes. This is not ideal in an organization where we have many editors sharing content at the same time. In dotCMS 2.0, we implemented pessimistic locking. This means that once a user logs a piece of content, once it starts editing, no other user can edit it until that lock is released. I'm now going to show you how the locking works and how you can release it if you are a CMS administrator. I'm here logged in as admin user. I'm a CMS administrator. On my other browser, I'm logged in as a contributor, and I'm going to show you how the locking works. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the content and I'm going to try to edit it, and if you see anything that I try to click on, it's highlighting lock for editing here. What that means is that I'm not able, even as an administrator, to modify content without locking it. The first thing I do is locking it, and you can see here it says that it's locked by me and when it was locked, and I can start editing now. On the other browser here, where I'm logged in as Joe Contributor, if I search for the same piece of content, now I can see the lock here. If I click on it, you'll see now that I have no actions other than canceling, and it's not going to let me do anything really on it until that lock is released. So I'm going to click on cancel. I'm going to go back here as the administrator and I'm going to save my content. Once I save the content, that's going to release the lock. Or if you decided not to save your content changes, then you can just release the lock. Right now I'm going to save it. You can see here the changes are there. And if I go into my other browser here and I search again, here is the content and the lock is gone. Now I can go to the page and I want to edit it now. I can lock it now. Here's my name, and I'm going to remove the title and save it. So before I save it, I may have forgotten to save it and just left and closed the browser. The lock is going to still be there. So what I need to do now is, the only way to remove that lock is either by the editor that added the lock or by an administrator. So logged in here as the administrator, I can click on Still Lock, and that's going to remove it. So either myself or someone else can come back and edit that content. This is it for how the locking is working in dotCMS 2.0. Thanks for watching.